Hello. Hello everyone. Thanks for joining this. Myself Anirban Dasmabatra and I'm a senior IT consultant. Today I'm going to talk about something new. What I felt is that there is nothing like graphical Unix integrated development editor like NetBeans and Eclipse, where a particular user who is going to type a particular command in a shell script, or they're writing a shell script, they want some sort of AutoComplete or auto suggestion provider that the other tools like NetBeans and Eclipse already has provided with. So my approach is to create a Unix-IDE editor which will have all the basic features. Let's look at this. The tool name that I have given is GU-IDE, where GU stands for this Graphical Unix and IDE is Integrated Development Editor. And it has this sort of agenda that I'm going to discuss, and I'll be showing you the practical demo. That's the important thing that I'm going to show. And I want a real feedback from you. It can suggest me whether this is going to be useful or not, based on that I'm going to develop it by taking it as a real product. I have thought this sort of tool just 20 days ago, and I just tried to implement it, and I got this sort of tool. I'm going to share this. So the basic thing is that this is going to be a revolution for any IT development or maintenance and support industry. And this scalable, user-friendly, portable tool, it's going to provide an advanced platform, independent editor for Unix developers and system administrators to carry on their daily activities. The most important thing is that no longer the developers or any support engineers or administrators need to worry on the syntax errors, case sensitivity, indentation of their Unix script. And the most important thing is in the second bullet point is that it makes the scripting or any shell script that you are going to write in that editor is going to make it dramatically easy, as it uses advanced graphical user interface features like drag and drop, where all the commands that will be visible on the right side of the tool, like this. Whenever you touch this any commands, okay, it will show what does this command. Okay, so all the commands will be available here, and it's not hard coded. It's something that this particular tool is going to first connect to the shell that you want to connect to, and it will run a shell script over there in the home directory of the particular user, and it will pull all the commands or aliases or the function that is available in that particular shell. It could be any shell. It could be Korn shell, Bourne shell, okay, Bourne again shell, C shell, TCH. There is TAPC shell. So, irrespective of any shell, it is able to connect to any shell, and it's going to pull all the commands dramatically, and along with its description, syntax, and all the options details that I'm going to show you in the latter part. So the basic point is that it's going to give you that drag and drop features, which I think as of now no Unix editor has given these sort of things. And the second point is the autocomplete. Whenever you are going to type any commands, it will just provide all the suggestions for the commands. So let's say if you're going to type ls, what are the possible options that are available in that particular cell, along with the details will come. So you can select easily. So you no need to worry about the syntax and the options and what does this option do. It will give you this sort of flexible. That's most important thing, this drag and drop and autocomplete. And this AutoCorrection and the syntax highlighting are just mutual. I mean, if there is any error, so it will show you that, I mean, error in terms of that if you're typing a particular command in a shell script or the syntax shows it's wrong, it's not matching. So it will give you in a red color, and if it's fine, then it will be green color. And if there is any commented line, this is particularly not a error actually. So this will just show you in the brown color, so you can distinguish these things. This will make your life more easy. And the third point that I've discussed, that it's going to connect to any cell, whether Bourne, Korn, C, etc., and fetches all the Unix commands, aliases, user-defined functions available in a particular cell. Okay. And then the problem statement, why we need this. Actually, to write any shell script, we have to use editor facilities like VI, Emacs. But these editors really do not support that much user-friendly environment like other tools as Eclipse or NetBeans, etc. What sort of advanced features we are looking for? It's nothing but AutoComplete, AutoCorrection, syntax highlighting, drag and drop. All those things you are going to get through this editor. So if I look at this as a problem, yes, it is a problem. I need the AutoComplete features for any scripting because I have to write thousands of lines of any scripting, and I need to know what SCD command does, what grep command does. And the way I'm thinking, I'll just type the command and it will give me the list of the options with the description, and I can use it accordingly. I don't need to worry about all those things. I don't have to go to the Googles. Okay, so the bottom line is that we as a developer, so the administrators or the support engineers, don't need to bother about the syntax and the description of all the Unix commands. Okay. And the third point, and then the last point is that you cannot run the Unix script from the editor through the click of the button. Is there any editor? I don't think so. So this is going to give you that because already I've connected and pulled all the commands and showing it over there. So the connection is already established. So there will be a command called run. Whenever you click on it, it will run the shell script. Okay. So these are the solutions. That it's going to be easy login to Unix through a GUI. You're going to connect. Of course, there is a putty and other things, so you can easily log in. So it's already there also. Then drag and drop, AutoCompletion, syntax highlighting, and the storage. That means you will be writing our shell scripting in editor, in my editor, that is GU-IDE, and you'll be having two options: whether you want to store it in the local drive or you want to store it in the Unix box itself. So you can store in both the areas. That is the thing. And subscripting execution by editor that I've already mentioned. So if you look at the solutions, it's giving you the more flexible editors which you can think. This is in more detail that I have discussed what are the features are doing. And if you look at the last point, there's a debugging point. And what does it mean there? It can help you that at which line and why this sort of result is not coming which you're expecting. Let's say it's a big script and you are not able to find out what's the point because there is nothing error. So Unix is not going to give you that error. Through the debugger, you can do that, and it's possible just through a click of a button. Of course, this is right now, it's just a basic debugging feature, but I'm going to implement in advanced I'm going to think. So this is the tool sample snapshot. With type JetCAD, on the left side you can see it's all the options that are available in account. It's coming in AutoComplete way, and the immediate drop down AutoComplete list, it's showing what does this option do. And the right side you'll be getting this description and the syntax of that particular command. So you'll be getting everything in a single page, and you don't have to type anything. Just scroll down this AutoComplete list and okay, I need this I want the name, Okay, I need this L for listing, Q for quiet, and I'll be selecting over here. And after that, I'm going to show you that demo. That's really cool, I think. And the technologies are very simple things that I've used. I use, of course, Java effects for it. You can feel it's very standard. And then, of course, I use Unix scripting, which is going to pull all the commands, aliases, and the other things from the Unix box. And extensive use of the core Java, like collections and all those things. And to make it more code, CSS I'm going to use. So these are the technology I have used to develop. Again, it's just under the process, so I'm still thinking. I need your help. I need your real feedback. Is this going to be really useful to you, which I'm thinking? Then I'm going to take a more advanced way. Now let's go to the real practical scenario. This would be my tool, and I'm going to really show you what's is going to have all the basic features like open, save as, something over there. This is the pass cell I'm going to type. Here, I'm going to put has sample cell script for my tool. This is for demo purpose. Cool. Now let's have a look at this. I'm going to use something like any command that's going to be fine. All right. So let's say I'm going to type cut command. Okay. It should give me the autocomplete feature. Just before going to that, I'm going to show you the drag and drop. That should be more good. Let's have a look at this. So you can see that all the commands have been pulled. I have connected to the Unix box, and it's giving this. So whenever you're going to, and whenever you're touching this, you can see that what cut does actually, it removes the sections from each line of code. Anyways, you can drag it and put it here. Okay. So basically, you got the reference that how the syntax would be actually. Now you can type cat and press Alt. In my case, I have set the key code as Alt to give you the autocomplete result, which is basically control spaces and other places. So basically, it's saying that these are the options are available, and let's say the card C, which is the basic things. And so what it does, it cuts the characters list. If you look this bytes, delimiters, fields, and as what does it mean actually? It's giving you all those things. And then the description, what does it do? Okay, so basically I'm going to select, let's say card C, and as a whole we are giving all the possible combinations of the commands in a single shot so that you can figure it out automatically. So let's say I'm taking all. Okay, and again if I want to see that, okay, why I forgot man what B means or D means, just have to go there, okay, and press the Alt, it will again come. So you'll just remember, okay, C it's character list. I'm going to do this only. So take this. Okay, so this is my options. Let's say the first character I'm going to get one, and then the file. Let's say my file name is abc.txt. Anything you can do this. Let's say ls. Just press Alt. All the possible options are coming over here. So I'm listing this. What does it means? It ignores the pattern. All those things are coming again. The description and the syntax are coming. You can do this ls file. Go there. Okay. And just try this. Coming. The small L is this one. Okay. Again, you forgot the syntax, right? So you can drag the buttons from here, or you can just press the default options. You get the syntax, ls options, and the file name. Go to the screen, put the file name, my sample.txt. So basically, anything you can do with this. And let's say you have forgotten any command. You put lsd by mistake, and you are giving me this file name. You're going to save it. You'll be having this save option. I'm going to show you that later. The button is not placed in a right way. I'll place it. This is error highlighting. So is there anything wrong in my case? If there is any error, it will come in the red color. If there is anything correct, it will come in the green color, and all the commented lines that will come in the brown colors. We go there. This will show you the line number 1, line number 2, line number 3 is the commented lines. So basically the first one is not that commented lines. It's pretty good one, but anyways. So line 4 is your cut command is perfect. Line 5 is ls is perfect. Line 6 error, because this command is not a valid command. You have to check it. Oh, I'm mistaken it. I am going to remove this. Again, you do the error highlighting. See, now all are cool. So basically it gives you the features of drag and drop of any commands that you want to use. When put it, any command, let's say press. Take any simple thing like cp. See, you can drag it, or just a simple click also it will work. See, I'm just clicking, it's coming. Or I can do that. Okay. And it's getting commented line because it's just a reference that you want to use. So let's remove this right now. Any other command, let's say jitcat. Just press Alt, all the options that are coming, and all the options are going to give you this for the possible things that is there, and all the syntax you'll be getting. You can get the reference, and you can use all the combinations of this as a whole. It will come here. So basically, you are going to get the flavor of drag and drop, auto completions, syntax and error highlighting. Everything is coming out of this. You can get this save as. Right now I've just made it as a local drive, but basically it's possible I'll make it by the end of day to connect to the Unix, to save it to the Unix box also. So basically this is just idea that I want to get it from you, that this is feasible, and you want me to take it to the other level because you just feel that yes, it's going to be useful, and then only I'm going to think about it as a real product, and I'll make it. I'm really hoping to get the real feedback on it from your side. Please, all the developers, support engineers, administrators, especially the Unix developers and the support engineers and administrators, please do send your feedback and comment on it. And the YouTube, is this really going to be useful? As per my thinking, I really faced a lot of problem because I was a beginner and This Unix was like a new thing for me, and I had to Google it, and I had to ask my seniors. This was fair enough. How to make it more feasible, that I just thought and I tried to implement just 20 days ago. So this is the basic things that I got, and all the commands, automations, and features are coming. Thanks for joining this video. We'll get back to you again, but really we need your feedback and comments on it. Thank you very much. This is Anirban again.